Hey guys, day 19. This is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to give you a few ideas for finding ways to get extra sales. Super fast, day 19. There's not even any homework today. Getting slackerific on ya. So day 19, I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about ways that you can get some extra sales. Just 3 quick tips, things you may or may not have thought about. Now that your website is on everything and plastered everywhere, I want to help you find ways to get people there. And then also just other ways that you can get people to commit to closing a sale or starting a party and things like that. Just 3 quick ones. So, one thing you can do is you can run a customer of the month lucky draw. So this is a personal special. Can't run this around on Facebook, but you can do texting, email, personal messaging, calling, all the other things that are private, and do a customer of the month lucky draw. So basically anyone who places an order that month gets entered to win. And you don't even have to tell them what it is. You can kind of gauge what you give away based on how many orders you collect. So it could be a scent circle, it could be a half price item if you end up getting those orders to a party. Anything you want to do. Woo! Just put their name in a hat, draw something special. That gets people excited to order when they are ready to just buy some extra stuff. Another thing you can do to share your website really easily, one place that people don't share enough is Pinterest. And if you actually go to your personal website and go to an actual product, there's a Pinterest share button and it'll share it to your account and link back to your personal website, which is really cool. So that's one thing you can do to get your link out there. Another thing you can do to get more sales is to do a mystery hostess party. And these are actually allowed to be communicated not privately. So you can actually tell your customers that you're doing a mystery hostess party. You can't tell them how to enter, but you can ask them for more, to PM you for more information and give them the details that way. So mystery hostesses are really great because then somebody goes home with all the rewards. And the nice thing is you can kind of update them and let them know what the pot's at so far. Get them excited. Another thing you could do if you're having trouble getting people to commit to parties, offer to meet them at a coffee shop with a couple of their friends. That way they don't have to clean, they don't have to provide snacks. It's a lot less pressure on them. It doesn't feel like a big commitment, and it's just a coffee date with the girls. Super easy to do. You could do that Panera. You could even do like play dates with the kids. Just be like, hey, then let's take the kids all over to Monkey Joe's and we'll chat while they're playing. Like super easy ways to do quick parties. Just be like, 4 of your friends who have kids, let's all go to Monkey Joe's. Let them know I'm going to bring my smellies and they can smell them. Like I won't even do a party. We'll just hang out and eat soft pretzels. So find creative ways to have parties without partying. Those casual parties are also a really great way to build relationships with people. So I want to know below, what other ways do you think you could party on accident without having a real party? And what are some fun ways that you can drive extra sales to your website? So I just want you to kind of brainstorm with me, comment below. What are some off-the-cuff, non-conventional ways to have parties without having parties? And then what are some good ways to drive sales to your website? What are some things that you've tried that have worked or things that you think you could try, and things like that? So I would love to hear from you guys. Comment below. Bye.